friends, and welcome back to CrystalCooks. Today we're cooking Instant Pot Caribbean Curried Chicken, an easy weeknight meal with bold Caribbean flavors that is now a family favorite. For this recipe you will need 1 tablespoon of Madras curry powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 8 boneless skinless chicken thighs, 1 medium onion, 1½ cups of Goya Mojo Criollo marinade, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This is another recipe I found at my bariatric doctor's office. It was amazing to me how easy it was to make. The original recipe is cooked in a crock pot. However, I was so busy on this day I forgot to put it on, so I cooked it in an Instant Pot and it was delicious. Either way you cook it, the chicken came out perfectly and the flavors were spot on. After gathering your ingredients, thinly slice the onion and set it aside. Then combine the spices, the curry powder, garlic powder, and pepper, and sprinkle it evenly over the tops of the chicken. It helps to press the spice mixture into the chicken so it sticks. Shake the marinade well and pour it into the bottom of the Instant Pot or crock pot, then layer the chicken and onion. Cook in a slow cooker for 4 to 6 hours or in the Instant Pot for 10 minutes. While this is cooking, you can prepare your sides. Since I'm avoiding breads, pastas, and rice, I made a salad. So I gathered those ingredients. I cut up some parsley for the topping of the chicken and prepared the ingredients for the salad. Some chopped carrots, cherry tomato halves, sliced cucumber, and some 50-50 salad spring mix. When the chicken is finished in the Instant Pot, wait for the steam to release naturally, then carefully remove the lid. Using a digital meat thermometer, be sure the chicken is cooked through at 165 degrees. Take out the chicken and set aside. Be sure to keep the chicken warm. Then drain the juices using a sieve or a separator and set aside. In a large saucepan, whisk together the flour and oil until smooth and heated through, then slowly whisk in the juices. Stir it constantly until the mixture comes to a boil and thickens. Reduce the heat and add the chicken to the pan with the mixture and simmer for about 5 minutes. Serve with your favorite side and enjoy. I topped my salad with a salad nut blend, balsamic vinegar glaze, and crumbled feta. This complemented the chicken so nicely. And that's it, Caribbean Curried Chicken. A quick, flavorful weeknight dinner, whether you use a crock pot or an Instant Pot. I'll leave the recipe below so you can try it. If you've made curried chicken before, let me know how you do it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.